Welcome everyone to this review of the Pocket Shot 2.0. This is the next level up in the Pocket Shot evolution, as is evidenced by the 2.0 moniker. And this guy comes to us in a very nice box with an extra power pouch right in the box there. Very nicely packaged. It's got an aluminum cap on the front. And when we take that off, we get to see the magic that is the Pocket Shot 2.0. And what's really cool about this, it does have a silicone ring that you can take off if you don't want it on there. But I kind of like shooting it with it on. So you just take that ring, stretch it over the outer ring, and get it in position. And it pretty much is molded to fit when you get it aligned correctly, which I seem to be challenged to do today. But the silicone ring gives you a little more grip on the outer ring. But what's really cool about this is the way that it self-aligns. You can see how that articulates when you draw the pouch back. The original Pocket Shot, that was fixed. So when you clamped on with your thumb and your forefinger, you drew it back, you could get off axis and direct a ball into the side of the slingshot. This one is self-aligning. That gimbal wants to stay aligned with the pouch, and it really does improve your ability to get more consistent shots out of your Pocket Shot 2.0. Really a neat feature. And we're going to take one of their orange plastic beads, the practice beads, drop it in there, and we're going to take a shot. These things come out of there like crazy, and I got to say, the look and the feel of the Pocket Shot 2.0 is definitely a little more upscale. The aluminum, the quality of the metalwork on this is first rate. It appears to be anodized, and it's got just a great overall product feel. I really do like the threads on this. Nice and smooth. Everything goes back together really nice. It's a really quality product in my opinion. And you know, having one of these in your go kit, or your get out of danger bag, or whatever it is you need a portable, really compact slingshot for, this guy packs up so small, so compact. Throw some ammo in there, throw it in your bag, get out and practice with it every now and then. But overall, a great solution for a little higher quality circular slingshot from our friends at Pocket Shot. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.